13.1, page number 283, question number 5. An organization selected 2400 families at random and surveyed them to determine the relationship between income level and the number of vehicles in the family. So this is the data we are having. Suppose a family is chosen, find the probability that the family chosen is, in the first one, earning 10,000 to 13,000 per month. This is the section, and owning exactly 2 vehicles. This one. So we are going to find the probability of the part 1. So start with the first one. First of all, we are going to write the total number of families selected. This one we are having 2400. Now we are going to write here number of families for the part 1 earning rupees 10,000 to 13,000 per month and owning exactly 2 vehicles. So this one we are having as 29. Now we are going to find the probability. So probability is equal to the number of families earning 10,000 to 13,000 per month and owning exactly 2 vehicles. That one is 29 divided by the total number of families selected. So this is the probability we are having, 29 by 2400. Now comes to the part 2. In the part 2, earning rupees 16,000 per month or more, this is the section, and owning exactly 1 vehicle. So this is the 1 vehicle. The number of families we are having 579. So we are going to write here number of families earning 16,000 or more and owing exactly 1 vehicle. So this one we are having 579. Now we are going to find the probability. So probability is equal to 579 divided by 2400. This is the probability of part 2. Now comes to the part 3. In the part 3, earning less than 7,000. This is the section, per month and does not own any vehicle. So the number we are having as 10. So we are going to write here number of families earning less than rupees 7,000 per month and does not own any vehicle. This one we are having 10. Now we are going to find the probability. So probability is equal to 10 divided by 2400. So 0 is cancelled from 0. So probability we are having 1 by 240. This is the part 3. Now comes to the part 4. In the part 4, earning rupees 13,000 to 16,000 per month. This is the section, and owning more than 2 vehicles. So this is the number 25 we are having. So we are going to write here number of families earning rupees 13,000 to rupees 16,000 per month and owning more than 2 vehicles. So this one we are having 25. Now we are going to find the probability. So probability is equal to number of families earning 13,000 to to 16,000 per month and owning more than 2 vehicles, that one is 25 divided by the total number of families. Now we are going to divide this one. So 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20, 5 8s are 40 and 0. Again 5 1s are 5, 5 9s are 45, remainder 3 and 5 6 are 30. So we are having 1 by 96. So this is the probability we are having for the part 4. Now comes to the part 5. Owning not more than 1 vehicle. So this is the total families we are having. Owning not more than 1 vehicle. This one we are having. So we are going to add this one. First of all, we are going to write here number of families owning not more than, this is the more than 1, not owning more than 1 vehicle. So this is the one, not more than 1. This is the section we are having. So we are going to write here. First of all, we are going to add both of them. So 10 plus 160 plus 0 plus 305 plus 1 plus 535 plus 2 plus 469 plus 1 plus 579. Now we are going to add this one. So we are going to get the 2062. This is the total number of families owning not more than 1 vehicle. Now we have to find the probability. So probability is equal to the number of families owning not more than 1 vehicle. That one we are having 2062 divided by the total number of families. That one we are having 2400. Now we are going to divide this one. So 2 1s are 2, 0, 2 3s are 6 and 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 0 and 0. So this is the probability we are having 1031 divided by 1200 for the part 4. With this one we have completed the question number 5. In the next video we are going to start with the question number 6.